In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put ads on your Wix website. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you seamlessly integrate Google Ads into your Wix platform, driving more traffic and enhancing your site's visibility. So whether you're a small business owner or someone just starting out, this tutorial will ensure you get ads up and running smoothly. To begin, let's navigate to the Wix homepage. Log into your account if you haven't already, and from your dashboard, we're going to focus on the sidebar menu. Once you're there, locate and hover over the marketing section. This is your go-to hub for anything related to promoting your site and expanding your audience reach. You'll notice a variety of options under the marketing tab, but for today, we'll zero in on Google Ads. Go ahead and click on that option. This will take you to the Google Ads management page within your Wix environment. Here you can set up and manage all aspects of your ad campaigns, providing a seamless way to boost your site's performance. But before you proceed with any Google Ads setups, there are some preliminary steps to address. These ensure that your website is fully compatible with Google Ads and stands the best chance of success. Firstly, you'll need to publish your site. Publishing your site ensures that all elements are live and functional, making it ready for visits by ad-driven guests. If your site hasn't been published yet, take a moment to hit that publish button. It's located on the top right of your editor, easy to spot, and essential to ensure everything is up to date. Moving on to the next key step, upgrading your site. An upgraded site typically provides more features, storage, and often a more professional look, which is crucial for running an effective ad campaign. Wix usually offers different plans, so take a moment to compare them and choose the one that fits your needs and budget. Once your plan is chosen and your site is upgraded, you're one step closer to a seamless advertisement integration. Finally, to maximize the impact of your ads, you'll want to connect a custom domain. A custom domain not only boosts your site's credibility, but also makes it easier for visitors to find and remember your site. This is especially important if you're directing ad traffic to your site, as a memorable domain can improve click-through rates. To connect a domain, go to the domains section within your Wix account and follow the prompts to either purchase a new one or connect an existing one. And there you have it. By following these important steps, you've set the groundwork for implementing Google Ads on your Wix website. Once everything is in place, you can return to the Google Ads section and follow the prompts to create your first ad campaign. Wishing you the best of luck with your site, and don't forget to monitor your ad performance to continually refine and optimize your strategy. Thank you for watching, and happy advertising.